I wake up, I tell jokes. Who's tired of that? Man, this is a crazy life to have, man, to wake up and do what you want to do for a living. I don't have to go to work. I get to go to work. Do you know, man, if you change one word, if you change I got to or I have to I get to, you immediately turn the focus from something that's arduous to something that's gratitude. And one of the major principles of success is the more things you're grateful for, the more God will give you to be grateful for. Somebody was asking me what's one of the major principles of success, and that's the number one thing is gratitude. I mean, God is a very fair and just God, right? So if all he's given you is too much for you, if it's overburdening you, if it's just wearing you down, he's a good God. Why would he give you some more stuff to wear you further down? So once you don't proclaim gratitude, it sends a signal that you're not grateful. And once you're not grateful, why would he give you more stuff to be ungrateful for? That's the major principle of success. See, you may not really be where you want to be, but can you not, in your day, find something to be thankful for? Even though you ain't reached the goal yet. Did you mention to him this morning that the fact that he woke you up was like pretty cool? Did you say something about that? The fact that you are walking and able to think, rhyme, and reason, did you mention that to him today? The fact that you have clothes, that you drove here, the fact that you look nice, that you see, we take so many things for granted. Some people talking about, well, Steve, the alarm clock woke me up. No, it didn't. The alarm didn't wake you up. No, God shook you, allowed you to hear the alarm. A lot of alarm clocks went off in some houses this morning, and it's still ringing. If God don't shake you to wake you up, your alarm clock, like waking up is not something you're capable of doing yourself. That's a gift. So the more stuff you find to be grateful, am I boring you with this? I'm just trying to really tell you a principle of success. It changes your life immediately when you say, I thank you. It's an immediate change.